Hello friends, this is third video of maximum minimum, and the previous video already I have told you about maximum minimum first order derivative. Clear? Because already I have told you we have two methods. Two methods means first methods first derivative, second method is from second derivative for finding maximum and minimum. Then with the help of second methods, I am going to tell how we can check given function is maxima or minima at x is equal to particular value. Clear? Then second order derivative. First of all, what? I am going to write in short form. Clear? Not only very lengthy form, short form. Then here first point, fx is given means if fx means given question, fx means here given question. Clear? Question is given. Why? Because if question is not given, then how we can solve what we have to find? Then question is important. Understood? First of all, if fx means question is given. Second, find the values of x at dy by dx is equal to 0. Clear? How we can find the value of x? First of all, find the dy dx. It means first derivative of a given question and its value equal to 0. Then we can solve the given equation. We will find the roots, means one root, two roots, more than roots also. Minimum means at least one root we will find. And third point here, if d2y by dx square is less than 0, means what? Negative sign. Negative sign that x is equal to suppose area. Clear? When we find the value of x, suppose we will get more value a, b, c like this one. Then if d2y by dx square is less than 0, means minus sign at x is equal to a. Clear? Therefore, given function is maximum at x is equal to a. Clear? It means whatever function is there given, then this function is the maximum at x is equal to a. Means maximum point at x is equal to a. Clear? And for maximum value, clear? For maximum value of fx, value of given curve, put x is equal to a in given curve. Clear? Very simple. First of all, we have to check given function is maximum or minimum. Suppose it is maximum here at x is equal to a. How we can find the maximum value? Then we will put x is equal to this value in given question, given curve. Clear? Given curve. Next one, if d2y by dx square is more than 0, means positive sign. Clear? Here negative sign, here positive sign. And at x is equal to a. Clear? Let one value a, say one value a. Therefore, given function is minimum at x is equal to and for minimum value of given curve. Clear? Means whatever function is there, how we can find the minimum value of this function? Very simple. Put x is equal to a in given curve. Clear? Given curve means given question here. Given question. Here given question. Given question. Understood? Very simple. First of all, question is there. We can take question. Second, find the value of x at dx is equal to 0. Third one, dt at x square less than 0 means negative sign at x is equal to a. Given function is maximum at x is equal to a. And for maximum value of given curve means given question here, put x is equal to a, given curve means given question. Same things for minimum here. And fifth one, if d2y by dx square is equal to 0. Clear? Because 0 means this is neither negative nor positive function value. d2 at x square is equal to 0. Therefore, given function is neither maximum nor minimum. Clear? At x is equal to a. Then which step point? Now this is inflectional point. So it is inflectional point. Clear? At x is equal to a. At last, during example, when I will solve example, then I will tell about what is inflectional point. Clear? Then three things very important. First of all, find the value of x. Second one, find dt at x square. When dt at x square, three value may become. Arise three conditions. First condition is less than 0 means negative sign. Then given function is maximum at x is equal to particular value, suppose a. Second one, if d2 at x square is more than 0 means positive sign, then it is at x is equal to a, given function is minimum at x is equal to a. Third one, if 0 will come, then it is neither maximum nor minimum, then given curve has an inflectional point at x is equal to a. At last I will tell what is its inflectional point. Understood? Now going to give an example here. Okay, I am going to tell example. Not here, it is already, because with the help of this one going to solve. If fx means given question is given. Clear? This is question here. First point over. Second, find the values of x at x dy at x is equal to 0. First of all, find dy dx. dy by dx is equal to what? dy by dx 2x cube minus 21x square plus 36x minus 20. 2 into 3 6 x square minus 42x and plus 36. This is value of dy by dx. Understood? For the value of x, clear? dy by dx is equal to 0. Second point here. See, this is a value of dy by dx. Therefore, 6x square minus 42x plus 36 is equal to 0. Now 6 is common. X is minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now here x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. Here x is minus what? 6x minus x plus 6 is equal to 0. X is common. X minus 6 minus 1. X minus 6 is equal to 0. X minus 6 here and x minus 1 is equal to 0, and therefore x is equal to 1 comma 6. Next two. Values means minimum one value will come and maximum so many value will come, so many roots will come, 2, 3, 4, 5, clear? This is the value of x means suppose A here, B here. Suppose A and B means first root is B, can say A and second is B, clear? Now third line, third point. If d2 and x square, first of all find. Again differentiation of this value, we can get d2i by dx square, clear, is equal to what? Here 12x minus and 42. Now taking first value means at x is equal to a means 1, clear? d2i by dx square is equal to what? You can put here 12 into 1 minus 42 is equal to what? 12 minus 42. Now here 2 minus 2 0, 4 minus 1 3. Then you say negative value will come. Since d2y by dx square is less than 0. You can see here, this is negative value. It means d2 and dx square is less than 0, is negative sign here. This value here, this value, you see here this value, clear? So given function is what? Maximum at x is equal to 1. So given function is maximum at x is equal to 1 and maximum value at x is to 1 is what? You check here, see here, for minimum values or maximum value we can put x is equal to a in given question. What is question? Question is this. You can put here 2 into x cube. X cube means only 1 minus 21 into 1 and plus 36 minus 20 is equal to what? 2 minus 21 plus 36 minus 20. Very simple. 36 plus 2, 38 minus 41 is equal to what? 38 means 39, 40 and 41 minus 3. Clear? Then minus 3 is the maximum value. Therefore, maximum value is equal to minus 3. Understood? Very simple according to this one. First of all find dy dx. Second point, for values of x, dy by dx is equal to 0. Then the value of x is 1 comma 6. Means at all the different point, we have to check given function is minimum or maximum. Then taken first point means x is equal to 1. And first of all find d2 and x square. 12x minus 42. Put here minus 30 is coming. Minus 30 is negative sign. Therefore, given function is maximum at x is equal to 1 and its maximum value is what? X is equal to 1, we will put in given question. 2 minus 21 plus 36 minus 20 means minus 3. This is the maximum value of given function. Clear? Now going to take x is equal to 6 and going to check whatever function is there, either maximum or minimum at x is equal to 6. Understood? Okay. Now at x is equal to 6. Clear? Because we have two value 1 and 6. At x is equal to 6, first of all find d2y by dx square is equal to what? Already find this value 12x minus 42. Therefore at x is equal to 6, d2y by dx square is equal to what? 12 into 6 minus 42. 2 here 72 minus 42. 2 minus 2 0, so minus 4 3. Here means positive sign. Here positive sign here. Since d2y by dx square is more than 0. Why? Because here positive sign. Positive sign. Therefore, given function is minimum at x is equal to 6, and its minimum value is what? Put x is equal to here 6. Clear? Then 2x cube minus 21x square and plus 36x minus 20. Then this is given function, given question. In this questions we have to put x is equal to 6 because at x is equal to 6 given function is minimum. Then for minimum value is 2 into 6 cube, 21 into 6 square plus 36 into 6 minus 20. Understood? After that 2 into, then multiply here. Two 16 minus here 21 into 36 plus 36 into 6 minus 20. Now you can solve here. Minus, multiply here. Then we can take here common also, 36 into 6 minus 20. Clear? After solving, whatever value will come, this is minimum value. Then therefore minimum value is equal to, here minimum value is minus 128. Here this is minimum value. And how we can find the turning point and its turning points. Clear? Turning point means the value of x and y. Here x is equal to 1, then 1 at 1, what is value of y? 2 minus 21, 2 minus 21 plus 36 minus 20, 38 minus 41 is equal to what? Minus 3. Then 1 minus 3 and x is equal to 6. At x is equal to 6, what is value of y? Y means this value, given function, and minus 128. Clear? Now this is turning points. Turning point means coordinate of x and y. At the x is equal to, we can put value in y, whatever value will come. This is a turning points of given function, given questions. Understood? Okay. This is second example. In this example, find the turning points on the curve. Clear? Turning means the value of x and y. First of all, what? First of all, find the value of x. At dy by dx is equal to what? D by dx of x power 5 is equal to 5x power 4. Here. And if dy by dx is equal to 0, therefore what? 5x power 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to what? Clear? Now find d2y by dx square is equal to what? D by dx of 5x power 4, 20x cube. Very simple. First of all, find first derivative. Is first derivative coefficient of given function. Add for values of x. It will be 0. How many roots will come of x? All the values we will put. Second derivative means d2y by dx square. Add x is equal to 0. d2y by dx square is equal to what? 20 into 0 is equal to 0 will come. Now 0 means neither negative sign nor positive sign. 0 means given function is neither maximum nor minimum at x is equal to 0. Therefore, given function is neither maxima nor minima at x is equal to 0. Understood? Very simple. Positive will come sign minimum function, negative means maximum function, 0 means neither maximum nor minimum function. After that, what we can do? Again find. Again third derivative, find d3y by dx cube is equal to what? D by dx of what? D by dx of this value here means 20 x cube is equal to 60 x square. At x is equal to 0, d3y by dx cube is equal to what? 60 into 0 is equal to 0. Again 0 coming. Therefore, same things. Given function is here, neither maximum nor minima. Again find d4y by dx power 4 is equal to at x is equal to 0. d4y by dx power 4 is equal to what? Here third time 60 means 120x will come. Add x is equal to 0. d4y by dx power 4 is equal to what? 120 into 0 is equal to 0. Same things here. Clear? Till getting non-zero, we will differentiate given function. Understood? Again find d5y by dx power 5 is equal to what? D by dx means this value 120x. 120x is equal to what? 120 means d5y by dx power 5. Now you can see here, this is what? Non-zero numbers. Non-zero number. We have if even differential coefficient if even differential coefficient is non-zero, then given function is maxima or minima at x is equal to a. Clear? But if odd differential coefficient here odd differential coefficient here is non-zero. Clear? Non-zero, then given function is inflectional point. Inflectional point at x is equal to a. Clear? Very important things I am going to tell. Very important things. If even means what? Even means what? Second time, 4 times, 6 times. Even means what? Even means this one. If d2y by dx square, d4y by dx power 4, d6y by dx power 6, all this. The value of this type differential coefficient is non-zero. We can check. We can say given function is either maximum or minimum according to sign. Plus sign means minimum, minus sign means maximum. But if odd differential coefficient is non-zero, either plus sign or minus sign. Sign is not matter here. Here, odd differential coefficient is non-zero, either plus sign or minus sign. For odd differential coefficient, sign is not matter. Then we can say given function is inflectional point at x is equal to a. Clear? Then now we can check here. Second derivative 0. Clear? Then again find third derivative. Third derivative means you say x is equal to 0 at this value 0. Again find till getting non-zero. Again find fourth derivative also 0 is coming. Then again find fifth derivative. This is non-zero. If fifth means this is odd differential coefficient. Here plus sign or minus sign. So many times I am telling also sign is not matter for odd differential, but for even it is important. For even it is important, but for odd it is not important. Either here plus or minus, this is non-zero value. Clear? Then since d5y by dx power 5 is not equal to 0. Clear? Then given function, therefore given function is in fractional point at x is equal to 0. Understood? And what is turning point? Turning point. Clear? At x is equal to 0. Y is equal to what? We put value. X power 5 means what? 0 power 5 means 0 will come. Therefore, 0, 0. Now this is turning point. Understood? Any doubt? Okay.